Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulusi kwasendoda lesokhokho bathini bathu amavula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number Ian Locksmith. I just came back from Namibia. It was a great experience, kind of a trip. You know, there's nothing that beats working on yourself. There's nothing that beats working on yourself. You know, when last did you work on yourself? When last did you take an assignment and just focus on you? When last did you focus on you and nothing else and nobody else? When last did you say to yourself, you come first and the rest follows? Why are we afraid to say that to such an extent that we lie to our children in saying that they come first? Our children don't come first to our lives. We come first, and we need to teach our children to come first as well. When last did you say to yourself, let me fix me? Let me focus on me. Let me organize me. Let me rectify my mistakes. Just to focus on you, and you will see how much Muti will do for you. Guys, we are struggling the way we are struggling because we are afraid to work on us. We are scared to work on us. We don't want anything that has to do with self-introspection. We don't want anything that has to do with looking at ourselves in the mirror and tick the boxes, if ever. Am I doing right? Am I a good partner? Am I a good husband? Am I a good partner in my business? We don't invest in that. We are afraid to invest in that. Instead, we go and invest in Muti. We go in taking Umuti to do things for us that we are failing to do for ourselves. And how then do you expect Muti to work on you, to be on point with you, if ever when you don't have any relationship with yourself? How is that possible? How is that possible? You want yourself to be, when you touch Umuti, to work, to do wonders because of what you've paid. But you are failing for what it doesn't need a payment, which is you, to do you, to fix you. And that does not need money. So the question is, Gogo, does Muti works? Muti can only work if you can work on yourself. Muti can only work if you can work on yourself. Period. There is no way that Muti can perform miracles. There's no way that Muti can do what you cannot do for yourself. There is no way. And I'm talking about this not blindly, not in a vacuum, but I'm talking about this as a fact. Uguti, the reason you don't see Uguti Muti works, it's because there is nothing that you have ever done for yourself. It's because you have never worked on you. You have never done anything for you. You don't have your quality time. You don't have your you time whereby you are sitting and analyzing and really thinking deep on what went wrong. Instead of us sitting down and asking ourselves what went wrong, instead of us sitting down and ask ourselves what went wrong, we want to go and fetch Umuti to fix what went wrong. What is it that you are fixing? What is it that went wrong? You don't know. That's why you are blaming Umuti ukuthi awusebenzi. That's why you have a diary of healers that are useless, that are not working, because of you are not working. When you are not working, when you are not doing anything for yourself, but you are relying on a certain substance, which is Umuti, which is alcohol, which is drugs, to do you, to work on you. How is that possible? How is that possible? So let's unpack this thing ukuthi umuthi awusebenzi. It cannot work. You are right if ever you're saying umuthi does not work for you. For you. Because you haven't worked on you. You are not relying on you. You are relying on outside forces. And those outside forces are bound to disappoint you because of you don't know what is wrong. That's why we like consultation, ukuhlola, to throw the bones in front of us, because we don't want to ask ourselves difficult questions. 99% of the things that comes out on the consultation is things that we know. It's things that we know. It's a common mathematics. It's a given sum that we find when you go to do consultation. Coco, do you do consultations when you go to these countries? No, I don't. I don't. I don't know when last did I do a consultation. I do consultation on behalf of the clients and everything, because I got to that level to say, on my own, because of my gift, I need to be able to tell ukuthi this is what is wrong. I might not be able to fix it myself, definitely. But to know what is wrong, I will tell. And the signs are there. The red flags are there. They are always there. We are ignorant. Because why? You want to go to umakhosi, and you want umakhosi to do things for you. You want umakhosi to tell you something that you know. The problem is that we want to be told things that we know. You know what needs to be done, or rather what is wrong. Then ask a question. Makhosi, I haven't been employed for donkey years, and I've noticed this pattern of events. When I get a job, this is what happened. When I get onto the relationship, this is what happened. Coco, every year, this time of the year, this is what happens. You need to be able to observe your life, to monitor yourself. Again, the question, what went wrong? You should know what went wrong. I will tell you how to fix it. How it happened, you should know. You know your cycle of friends. That does not need me to tell you your cycle of friends are negative. And because of your cycle of friends, let's stop this thing of saying that cycle of friend is not good. You are included now. You yourself, you are included. So, before we get into places, healers, pastors, prophets, for whatever help that one may think of, I want us to ask ourselves, Oguti, where did I go wrong? What is it that I did wrong? Kwenzakalani ngami? You know you betrayed someone. You call them enemies today because of you did something wrong first. It's such things that we need to be able. We need to be able to face. Unfortunately, we need to be able to face. And we can. Then Muti will see the power of Muti. Then Muti will work for us. But at this moment, if you ask yourself, Uguti, does Muti work? You are asking yourself the right question, and you are the right person to answer, Uguti, why does Muti doesn't work for you? And Muti, if I were to answer that question loosely, yes, Muti does work, and that's it. I'm not going to justify it to say, yeah, Muti works for me, or my Muti works. What you say Muti doesn't work because you're not using my Muti. No, I'm not going to say that. I'll just say Muti works. I went to this healer, and I don't know if the Muti works and everything. It does work. The question is, how about you? That's a question I'll ask you. How about you? What is it that you do? How do you fix yourself? So, one, start spending time on your own. Guys, you cannot get answers about what is happening into your life on the crowd. Forget it. Be alone. Start spending time alone. No music, nothing. At least 1 hour for a start. I can do that for the whole weekend. At least 1 hour. When go per day or at least per week. Just be alone. Just be alone. Just be alone. No friends, no music, no TV, no reading. Just be alone. Just listen to yourself. That is number one. Number two, get enough sleep. Guys, there's a lot that is happening while we are sleeping, or that is supposed to be happening for us. Get enough sleep. Get not just enough sleep. Get quality sleep. Not with sleeping tablets. No. Get quality sleep. I think the best thing you can take is a cup of milk. And you can use the soya milk, you can use whatever other forms of milk, but just get a cup of milk when you go to sleep so that you can have that quality time while sleeping. It's very important. 3. Oh, this one, I answers me, guys. I answers how must I talk about this one? The third one, I don't know. Learn to shut your mouth. Learn to zip your mouth. Learn to keep quiet about your feelings. You're spending that hour alone. You are not sleeping. You are processing. We are processing what is happening. You are processing thoughts. Your notebook is there. Your journal is there. You are processing thoughts. There are thoughts that needs to be written down as you are processing, because you are allowing your brain to offload. You are offloading thoughts. So you have control because those thoughts are there. Then you're going to have a quality sleep. The quality sleep results in something in terms of that will come in a form of dreams that needs to find you ready for it. You must be ready. And then after that, it's number 3. Shut your mouth. Plan in secret. Move in secret. Move alone. Plan alone. Execute alone. Shut up. Shut up. 4, and I'll stop on 4. Be disciplined. Discipline is the name of the game. Because if you are disciplined, within discipline is execution. Within discipline is action plan. Within discipline is you are doing something about your thoughts, about your dreams, about you shutting down and observing. Through a discipline, you are able now to do what? To execute. To deliver what needs to be delivered. And that's all. Then use Muti. You'll tell me then if Muti works or it doesn't work. This thing that everybody knows that when now you are in treatment, everybody knows which when now you went to Kokobatini Bat, everybody knows which when now you have Farmer Boys, everybody knows which when you have this scoop, everybody knows that, and you think those things are going to work with so much pressure of expectations from people who want to benefit from you. from people who want to capitalize on you, from people who want to see you with amashankurana so that they can benefit from you, from people who don't even want to see you successful. And then when you keep on going and telling every Dick, Tom and Jerry, when you are using this muti is for what? This muti is for gambling. This muti is for what? What? Then people will say, oh, you said you've got muti for gambling. Let's see if this muti works. Let's see if this muti works. Dololo, umuti work. Because muti doesn't work under pressure. Muti is not there to show off. Muti is not there to prove a point. Because umatitibala wa today and umatitibala wa donkey years ago is still umatitibala. It doesn't have to prove a point to anyone. No. I went to this mountain into this place. Sorry guys, I've got flu. I went to this place in Namibia. A very, very, very rocky place. I forgot that place. It's fenced. What is called. And I've seen so many muti that grow up under the rocks. So sometimes it's a mountain that you can see what like 90% of this mountain or 99% of this mountain is covered by rocks, but you find those muti coming out and everything. That muti doesn't have to prove itself to anyone if it works or it doesn't work. No. So why do you go around telling people? Because the nature doesn't go around saying that we're going to produce a certain plant here. No matter what you will see, what is it? No, it just happened. Allow that to just happen. Allow life to unfold itself. Stop telling people about what you are doing. Stop going around and advertising. Where do you get help? That pressure that you have is the same pressure that makes you to behave the way you're behaving now. Because your expectations have reached the wrong people. Then your ancestors quickly takes a decision to say, no. This one is not ready to be reached. So no. Not this one. Not now. This one is too chacharach. No. This one is not ready to be reached. No. Sometimes your ancestors can stop your luck. Yes. Ancestors, sometimes they are able to see ukuthi you are not ready for wealth. Yes, it does happen. Because they are protecting you. You are not matured enough. You are still working for alcohol and drug abuse. You are still working for girls. You are still working for show off. Your ancestors can, if they are very active, if they really love you, can protect you, can close things, can block things, can block opportunities to come to you because you are not ready. You are simply not ready for that wealth. So your ancestors may raise their hand and say, not that one. Not to skumbuza. Singahlupheka. Yo, ufusne angaba nemoto so hlupheka. Not to snare. Usne will fail that driver's license until she goes and buy it and get arrested for buying a fraudulent driver's license. Why? Because your ancestors feels you are not ready for wealth. Why? Because you haven't gave yourself enough time for you. You haven't gave you enough time. You haven't. Until you give us, until you fix you, until you align you, until you arrange you, until you filter yourself, until you are careful about what you are saying with your mouth. There's a lot of things that you need to do before your ancestors can release your blessings. While you haven't done that, trust me, you will finish all your money. You'll go from healer to healer. You go from point A to point B. You blame anyone in the world because you don't want to look at your inner self. Inkinga ikuwena. You are your own problem. thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu.